There are three looping structures available in C++, all of which are used to execute a specific code block several times. The while loop runs through the code block only if its condition is true, and will continue looping for as long as the condition remains true. Note that the condition is only checked at the beginning of each iteration. Next there's the do while loop that works the same as the while loop, except that it checks the condition after the code block, and will therefore always run through the code block at least once. Keep in mind that this is the only loop that ends with a semicolon. The for loop is used to go through a code block a specific number of times. It takes three parameters. The first one initializes a counter and is always executed once before the loop. The second parameter holds the condition for the loop and is checked before each iteration, and the third parameter contains the increment to the counter and is executed at the end of each loop. The for loop also has several variations. For starters, the first and third parameters can be split into several statements using the comma operator. We also have the option of leaving out any one of the parameters. These are the three looping structures in C++. Just as with the conditional statements, the braces can be left out if there's only one statement in the code block. There are two jump statements that can be used inside of loops. The break keyword, which ends the current loop, and continue, which skips the rest of the current loop and continues at the beginning of the next iteration. A third jump statement that may be good to know about is goTo, which performs an unconditional jump to a specified label. This instruction is generally never used since it tends to make the flow of execution difficult to follow.